Hello everyone, you're welcome back to Chess with Devons, and today I have a very beautiful puzzle for you. And in this puzzle you have to find the winning move for white. But as you see, this is a very tricky puzzle because white has two rooks but black has a queen, and we know the queen is the most dangerous piece in an endgame. So we have to find a way of winning this game for white. But then it is white's turn to move. I want you guys to first try to solve it by yourselves before we solve it together. So if you don't mind, pause the video, try to solve it, come back when you found it. Remember, you have any amount of moves you want. We just want a winning plan for white. Alright, pause the video, come back when you found it. Good luck. Alright, did you find the winning move for white? Please let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to like the video and also subscribe. Thank you for 900 subscribers. We are heading to 1000 subscribers. So please, if you're watching this video and you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe. Let's hit 1000 subscribers. Alright, so let's get into the puzzle. One thing you should know is the worst move you would play here would be a king move as your first move. Why? If you play a king move, then black can actually check us in any way he wants with the queen, because the board is so open. Black is going to check us until he captures one of our rooks. So literally that would be the worst move you are going to play. Do not play a king move as your first move. So we have to first get a way of playing in a way that we keep black busy, and that is by checking it. So by checking it, black won't get a time to check us. So the best move here would be rook to b2, and after rook b2, the worst move black will ever play is going to the f file, because if it goes to the f file, then playing rook a1 would lead us to a mate, because even if it tries to block with a queen, you can actually capture the queen and win the game. So literally black is not going to go to the f file, otherwise it would be a done game for black. So black is going to go to c8, but after black goes to c8, we are going to leave black in a discovered check because we want to keep checking it. So we're going to move our king to b5, and then black is going to be in a discovered check. But again, black can't go to d7, because if it goes to d7, then we can check it, and if it goes away, we capture the queen, and with only a rook we can win this game. So this would be a losing game for black. So black is not going to do that because it will lose its queen and we shall win the game. So black is actually going to also come back to the b file. But then what we are going to do is we are not going to go to the a file, because if you go to the a file, black is going to also follow us to the a file. Actually, it won't go to s6, it will go to s7, and from s7 there's no way you're going to check it, because if you try to check with the your rook is going to be captured. So there's no way you're going to check it, and black is going to get time to check us. Remember, we don't want black to check us, because if it checks us, it's going to check us until it captures one of our rooks. So literally, black, we are not going to go to the a file. We are going to repeat the same procedure, but this time around we are going to go to c4. Why not c5? Because when you go to c5, black is still going to repeat the same procedure and we are going to keep doing the same thing. But we want to go to c4. Why? Because we want to move our king downwards until we put it below the rooks, and if our king is below the rooks, then we can easily mate black. So that's what you're going to do. So black would actually also follow us because it can't go to the a file, it would be a losing game for it. And then we repeat the same thing. Black can't go to the d file, we would pin it with the queen, so it's also going to keep on following the same thing. Then we keep on going down, it can't go to the a file as we mentioned, so it's also going to keep coming. And then we go behind the rooks, and since we are behind the rooks, black has only one place to go, to the d file. And after it goes to the d file, then we pin them and we capture the queen. And after capturing the queen with two rooks, you're winning this game surely. So that was the winning plan for white. Let us know if you found the winning plan for white, don't forget to subscribe. We have to hit 1000 subscribers before this month ends. So if you're watching this video and you're not subscribed, if you really enjoy my content, please subscribe and like the video, and don't forget to leave your review. It also means a lot to me. Until next video, have a good day.